Deborah with another intern insight. When you're on an internship and they give you a task to do, no matter how simple that task is, I want you to do that task with excellence. I want you to do high quality work. If it's a spreadsheet that they ask you to do, make sure that it is the best spreadsheet ever. It should be spell checked. It should have nice columns, grids, all of that. You have to make sure perhaps that some things are bolded. Ultimately, that the information is clear, accurate, easy to follow. If you are interning, say, for example, in a hotel or in a country club of some kind, and you've been asked perhaps to go ahead and prep for the next day, and that may include a few things. It may include refilling certain items, throwing away and cleaning off certain items to make sure that everything is good and ready for the next day. If that is what you are asked to do, do it with excellence. Your particular area should be clean, should be organized. It should be that when the person looks, they felt good that they gave you that assignment to do. Here's what you never want. You never want the person who asked you to do something to have to end up doing it themselves, or they have to redo what you have done. You don't ever want that to happen, because what will occur is that after a while they simply won't give you anything to do, because they'll ask themselves, why am I giving myself extra work, right? And this task that they've given you is actually a gift. It's an opportunity for you to show that you are a high performer, someone who is excellent, someone who would make a great employee, or at least even if you don't get the opportunity to work at this particular place where you're interning, there are other people that would be willing to say, hey, you know what? I can vouch for that one. I absolutely worked with them and that person was excellent. That's what you want to be said about you. Whatever task they give you to do it to the very best of your ability. Ensure that it is quality work that you're turning in, because they assume if you're turning in quality work now as an intern / aspiring professional, then that's what you would do if you literally had the job.